Good morning class 9. This is your part 3 video from exercise 17, that is trigonometrical ratio. Okay, and today we start from question number 15. In question number 15 you see, if theta is an acute angle and tan theta equals to 8 by 15, find the value of sec theta plus cosec theta. Okay, so you see theta is an acute angle, that means less than 90. First of all we draw a right angle triangle, okay, and here is 90 and let it, here is theta. Okay, this is A, B, C. Tan theta, tan means what? Height by base, and this is given 8 by 15. So height is 8 and base is 15, because we know that opposite of angle is height, opposite of 90 is hypotenuse, and left one is base. Then first of all, in triangle ABC we calculate the value of hypotenuse. Okay, so we know that the Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. So in place of height square we see 8 is given here, so 8 square, and base is 15 square, so that is 64 plus 225, that is 289. So height square equals to 289, therefore height equals to root under 289, that is 17. So this one is 17. Done. Find the value of sec theta plus cosec theta. So sec theta formula we know that very well, that is hypotenuse by base, and cosec theta is hypotenuse by height. So hypotenuse is 17 and base is 15. Again hypotenuse is 17 and height is 8. Okay, that is LCM is 120. So 17 136 plus 17 into 15. So the answer is 391 by 120. Okay, note. Now the turn for question number 17. See, in question number 17, given A is an acute angle and cosec A equals to root 2, find the value of 2 sine square A plus 3 cot square A by tan square A minus cos square A. Okay, so first of all cosec A is given root 2. Root 2 denominator we write 1, because anything divided by 1, that is same number it's getting itself. Okay, first of all we draw a right angle triangle. Done. A, B, C. Cosec A, here angle is here, so this one is height, 90 is here, so this one is hypotenuse, and left one is base. So we know that the formula of cosec A, that is hypotenuse by height. So hypotenuse is root 2. Hypotenuse is root 2 is given, and height is 1. So first of all calculate the base. So we know that the formula of Pythagoras theorem, that is hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. In place of hypotenuse we write the root 2 square, height is 1 square plus base square. So 2 minus 1 equals to base square. So 1 equals to base square, therefore base equals to root under 1, that is 1. So base is also 1. Okay. Now 2 sine square means what? Height by hypotenuse whole square. Square is given, plus 3 cot square. Cot's formula is base by height whole square, by tan square, height by base, cosec, that is base by hypotenuse. Okay, so you see 2 in place of height is 1 and hypotenuse is root 2, that means 1 by root 2 whole square minus 3 base 1 and height is also 1. Okay, next height by base, again 1 by 1 because height is 1, base is 1, minus base by hypotenuse, base is 1 and hypotenuse is root 2 square. So when we solve the portion, you see 2 into 1 square is 1 and root 2 square is 2, minus 1 square is 1 and 1 divided by 1, that is again 1. So 3 1 ja 3, 1 upon 1, that is 1, and 1 square is 1, 1 root 2 square is 2. So this 2 to cancel. So in numerator portion we get 1 minus 3 and denominator we get 2 minus 1 by 1. Okay, so what the answer? That is minus 2 divided by 1 by 2. So minus 2 into 2, that is minus 4. So minus 4 is the answer. Okay, note. See base by height na cot formula. So base is 1 and height is also 1. Tan is height by base 1 by 1. Only that the hypotenuse is root 2. Otherwise height and base all are 1. Okay. Now question number 19. If tan theta is 5 by 12, find the value of cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus sin theta. So first of all, we know that tan is height by base. Formula tan theta is height by base. Draw a right angle triangle, that is 90 is here and theta is here. So opposite of 90 is hypotenuse, opposite of angle is height, and left portion is base. Okay, so height is 5, base is 12. Now find out hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, hypotenuse square is equals to height square plus base square. So hypotenuse square, height square is 5 square and base square is 12 square. So height is 25 and base is 144, that is 169. So hypotenuse under root, that is 13. So this portion is 13. Okay, find the value of cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta formula is base by hypotenuse plus sin theta formula is height by hypotenuse divided by cos theta is formula is base by hypotenuse minus sin theta is height by hypotenuse. So base is 12, hypotenuse 13 plus height is 5 and hypotenuse again is 13. So again base by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 13 minus 5 by 13. So when you solve that, that is 13. 12 plus 5, taking LCM 13 for the denominator, that is 12 minus 5. This 13 cancel, that is 12 plus 5 is 17 and 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, so the answer is 17 by 7. Note. Now time for question number 22. If 3 cot theta is equals to 4 find the value of 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta, 5 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. So you see 3 cot theta equals to 4. So we write down like this way, 4 by 3, because 3 comes this way. Okay, again you multiply, you see 3 cot theta equals to 4. So that means cot theta equals to 4 upon 3. Cot theta formula is base by height. So first of all you draw a right angle triangle. This is our right angle triangle. Clear? Here is 90, here is theta. A, B, C. That is height is given 3, C, and base is given is 4. Okay. So first of all you calculate the hypotenuse. In triangle ABC, hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square. So height is 3 square and base is 4 square. That is 9 plus 16 is equals to 25. So hypotenuse square is 25. So therefore height equals to root under 25, that is 5. Okay. Now the question is 5 sin theta. Sin theta means height by hypotenuse minus 3 cos theta, that is base by hypotenuse, by 5 sin theta, again height by hypotenuse, plus 3 cos theta, that is base by hypotenuse. So 5 into height 3 and hypotenuse by 5 minus 3, base is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Okay, hypotenuse is 5. Again 5, height is 3, hypotenuse is 5, plus 3 cos theta, base by hypotenuse, base is 4, hypotenuse is 5. Okay. So here is 15 by 5, 5 3 is 15 by 5 minus 12 by 5. And here is again 15 by 5 plus 12 by 5. Taking the LCM of numerator, that is 5. So 15 minus 12, and here is 15 plus 12 by 5. This 5 cancel, that is 3. 15 plus 12, that is 27. So 3 upon 27 is the answer. Okay, note. Now the question is 25. If theta is an acute angle and sin theta equals to cos theta, find the value of 2 tan square theta plus sin square theta minus 1. First of all, see, no value is given here, only just given sin theta by cos theta. So you see sin theta equals to cos theta is given. Okay, so we write down sin theta by cos theta equals to 1. Again this cos theta multiply 1, that is cos theta. Okay, we know that sin theta by cos theta, sin theta means what? Height by hypotenuse, this for divide, and cos theta is base by hypotenuse equals to 1. So height by hypotenuse into hypotenuse by base equals to 1. Hypotenuse cancel, that is height by base equals to 1. So we calculate very well, that is height by base given is 1. So this is your right angle triangle. 90 is here, theta is here. So this is your height, this is your base, and hypotenuse is here. So height is 1 and base is 1. First of all calculate what? Hypotenuse. So in triangle ABC, hypotenuse square equals to height square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 1, base is 1, that is 1 plus 1, it's 2. So hypotenuse square equals to 2, so hypotenuse equals to root 2. Okay. Now 2 tan square theta, tan means height by base square, plus sin square theta, that is height by hypotenuse square, minus 1. 2, height is 1 and base is 1 square. Sin height is 1 and hypotenuse is root 2 square minus 1. So 1 divided by 1, that is 1, 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 1 square is 1, root 2 square is 2, minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, plus half, that is 3 by 2. Okay, note.